Review 4-inch front and rear dash cam, drive safer with full HD recording. Looking for a high-quality yet affordable dash cam to protect every journey? Check out this popular 4-inch HD 1080p dash cam available now on Banggood. Key features: dual recording, front and rear, simultaneously captures footage from both the front and rear of your car. Perfect for evidence in case of an accident, especially when parked in public places. Clear 4-inch display, easy to use and lets you review footage directly on the screen. Full HD 1080p resolution, records sharp and clear images day or night. License plates and obstacles are captured in detail. Reversing camera support, automatically displays rear view when you shift into reverse. Makes parking safer and easier. 24H parking monitoring, even when your car is off, the camera keeps watch and can record unexpected impacts with parking mode. Dual lens plus wide angle, covers a wide field of view both in front and behind your vehicle. Where to buy? Get this product now at a great price from Banggood. View product details at the link in the video description. Personal review: I've tested this dash cam and was honestly impressed by the sharp image quality, compact design, and the dual-channel recording feature, super helpful in accidents and disputes. Highly recommended if you want peace of mind and safer driving every day. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.